How to log out of Cash App. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Cash App quickly and easily. Whether you're switching devices, troubleshooting an issue, or just want to sign out for security reasons, knowing how to properly log out is important. The process is simple, but if you don't do it correctly, you might stay signed in on another device. So make sure to follow along as I walk you through the exact steps to log out of Cash App the right way. Let's get started. Start by launching the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once you're inside the app, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a small profile icon. Tap on it to access your account settings. After tapping on the profile icon, you will be taken to a new page displaying various account-related options. Here, carefully scroll down through the list of settings until you come across an option labeled Sign Out. This option allows you to safely log out of your account and prevent unauthorized access. To complete the sign-out process, carefully review the confirmation pop-up one last time. If you are sure that you want to log out of your Cash App account, tap Sign Out again within the pop-up window. Once you do this, Cash App will securely log you out, ensuring that your account remains safe from unauthorized access. And that's it. You have now successfully logged out of your Cash App account. If you ever need to log back in, simply open the app and enter your login credentials. That wraps up this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorial videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.